Hey guys, so today we're going to be continuing with the book management system, but today we're going to be taking a look at the backend for the second and third feature. So here we go. Okay, so first off, in video 159, where we first started the whole book management system, we took a look at the backend of add books function, so basically like the first feature where you add books, and after that we moved on to the front end. So today we're going to be going through the back end of the features 2 and 3, as in like get books and sort, like sort by author and sort by title. So here we have already gone through this bit. So now we're going to be looking from here onwards. So first I'm going to start from get books. So here I have app.root, then the path like the rules, so slash books, and then method is equal to get. Then over here we have like I'm defining get books, and after that I have I am doing convert to JSON. So this is basically like a function I defined because between get books and sort there's like a lot of common stuff. So here I define convert to JSON list, which is basically like then I put in like the parameter like the arguments like copy of list and new list. So this might get a bit confusing around here. So over here I have put in list of books and then new list and then return new list. So basically my point is over here I have basically like, so here we have like the list of books, like whatever the user has entered, and then new list, as in like this empty list over here. And after that we have, and over here, so we need to go by that now. So here we have length of copy of list, as in the list of books. And then we have, then I'm printing it basically. So after that, like with the, so basically I'm sort of like parsing it. And then the current book is equal to, so here I'm basically like doing a switch thing, which is more useful in the sort. So then current book is equal to copy of list X, as in the current book is equal to like list of books, that specific object X, like the book. So I'll just like give an example just to make this a bit more clear. So over here, we're gonna like make like basically an object. So here, if I go here and if I open Chrome, then I'm going to just enter like my books, submit, and then I'm going to enter the other one. So, and then submit. So then view books. So basically X in this case is basically like this specific object, like one of those objects. This is like one value of X and this is like another value of X because the whole list of books is these two together. And then X is basically this one or like this one depending on which round the loop is on. So then we're gonna go back here. And then we have, so then basically this is like the list of books X, so like whichever one that is. Because simply my job here is like to get books and display the books. So then I'm getting the books and then like I'm basically displaying them. So after that, A is equal to current book dot to JSON. And then then we have like new list dot append. So new list is like this empty list again that we defined over here. And then A. So A is like the current book. So A is like either this one or this one right now. And then I'm printing new list. And over here I'm going and just returning new list. So basically my only job here that I'm doing is that like I'm displaying the books. Now by sort by title, I mean that like we take the title, so because I've already done this for a bit, so we're just gonna do author. So by sort by title, I basically mean that because like title fall in aisle, so basically F comes before T, so it's basically arranging it in alphabetical order based on the title. If I, on the other hand, do a sort by author, then it goes over here because C is like before J, so then it arranges it in alphabetical order depending on like who the author is. And then, so then we're going to move on to sort. So then here app.root, this is my rule or like the path, and this is methods get. Then I'm defining the sort function. After that, I have new list, which is again an empty list, same as over here. Then I have sort by, so then request.args.get by. And then here I have sort by. Then I have copy of list. So then I have copy of list. So copy of list is equal to list of books.copy. So basically whatever my list of books is, so as in like this whole list of books, then I'm basically like making a copy of that list. Then if sort by is equal to author. So basically if I'm saying sort by author, then it's going to go to like sort by author and then copy of list. So sort by author and then copy of list. So after that, so this is like basically the copy so that it sorts it, but we don't lose like the original copy. That's why I'm making like a copy. So this is the original, like the list of books. Like here, when I view books, then I have fallen out. So this is like the actual order the user entered them in. Like first they put in this book, then they put in this book. But because we don't want to lose that order, that's why I'm making like a copy of that list. And then we have sort by author, and then otherwise we have like sort by title. So the same thing over here, and then I'm basically arranging it. Then otherwise please enter a valid author or title. Then after that it's like convert to JSON lists. So then I'm basically like calling this function again, same one, because like all of this is common between, as I said, sort and get books. All of this stuff in this function is common between them. So it's just easier to write them in one function and call it. And after that I'm returning new list. So new list in this case when I say sort by title is, well, the same right now. And when I say sort by author, then it's like this. And after that, obviously, we have creating the function because it's common in both getBooks and sort. And then like if name is, so basically I'm just running it.